So, do you want to apply for a YouTube jobs? So you have a talent and experience, so you can apply for YouTube job. So just simply go to youtube.com/jobs, and then then this page will open. Work at YouTube. So anyone can apply, but before applying, just read everything, then apply. Help us make the world better. So there is a 4 jobs available to work. So find your team: engineering, product and design, and business and operation, and trust and safety. So now click on join our team. This open on this. Now click on this. From upper side you can click over there, so a new screen will open. Find your job. So here you can see there is a lot of jobs available at YouTube and Google Cloud, and then you can work. So this job is in office. You can see the in office and location. If you are from a different country, that's not a problem. Once you're selected for a job, then they will send you a working visa to go there and work. So here you can see you can filter part-time, full-time, temporary. So you can select Google, YouTube. So at Google there is different platform jobs available. So before applying in office South Korea, so if you want to apply, then read their qualification and what they want, what is in this job. So just read and then apply. That's not mean just simply apply and then you are selected. Once you're selected, then they also take your interview, you are qualified or not. So for example, I open a YouTube section, selected a YouTube section. Here you can see partner technology manager YouTube, and here you can see job title and location and office. This is an office job, and there is qualifications. Down below there is a qualification, what they want from you to apply. So before apply, just read. Now click on expand. So I will also show you how to apply for this job. So now click on expand button. So this is a scale, abuse, analytics, YouTube, trust and safety. So you can just before applying, just read this role may also be located in our playa visa. So before applying, read all the details. So that's too much big, so that's not easy for me to read all the details. So once you visit this page, then read all the qualification, brief qualification about the job. About the job mean what they want from you. So once you read all the detail, and if you think this job is good for you, then apply. Responsibilities, what is responsibilities on your on you, and they also show you a location where is the office is available to do this job. Now next click, and once you read all the detail, next step is apply button. So once you read all the detail, then click on apply button. A new screen is open. So once you click on apply button, a new screen is open. Scale, abuse, analytics, YouTube, trust and safety, or resume. So I hope you know about resume. What is resume? So send your resume to Google. So I am not applying, just for example, I am just selecting a demo file. So you can submit a 3 application even in 30 days. So you cannot go to next step. You need to upload your resume. I am just uploading a dummy file. I am not applying. So this is a dummy image, so I am just uploading. This image is upload, and now once you upload the image, now click on next button, and next and more feature is showing, and now enter your legal name such as your driving license or passport legal name. Just type your legal name, your address, your country, region, from city, state, province, zip code, and email is already detected from by Google. Now next step is select your country, region, phone region, and then type your number. Add another phone number if you have higher education. If you high education, then select yes and type. Select all the degrees, in which degree you are you do and you completed or not, and also select your country, region, and what work experience. If you have work experience, then select yes and then or select no, and also select right in which office you want to work with YouTube. So select, you have two options to to work. So in every job there is a different experience needed, qualification needed, and different location is available. So I am not going to apply, I am just showing you how to apply. So that's all. So you can go to youtube.com/jobs and you can find a jobs for you, in which job you want to. There is a thousand of jobs available at YouTube and Google to do and apply for your job. So maybe you will be selected for this job and they will call you back for the interview once you selected, and they will send you working visa. So what is benefits at Google, benefits working at Google? So they also showing you health and wellness. Okay, here you can see there is a lot of detail available. Just read. Financial and well-being, so read all the detail. I am not going to read, that's too many things. Family support and much more. So if you have any question, just leave in comment section. I hope this tutorial helpful for you how to apply at Google to work with YouTube or Google and other Google products. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.